In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Chat GPT to create the vision board that actually manifests the life of your dreams. Hi, I'm Crystal of CrystyleCouture and welcome back to my channel. Chat GPT is the AI that does it all. And by now, we've all seen our favorite creators use Chat GPT to do just about anything to make our lives easier. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT, including what prompts to use to create a vision board that actually manifests the life that you want in 8 easy to follow steps. Step 1, get clear on your vision. Crystal clear. And extremely specific. Have clear goals for each part of your life because those will later become the sections that your vision board is divided into. This is the time that you're going to set your intentions, create a mood, create an ambiance. Make sure you're somewhere quiet, calm, peaceful, where you can really take that time to focus on you and what you really want and what you really want to achieve in 2025, which will lead us into our first Chat GPT prompt. Number 2, pick a theme for your vision board. This is the mood, feeling, the word, color that encompasses your entire year. This could be a phrase. What is your plans? Look at those goals that you wrote out and say, what is the common theme amongst all of them? It's the summation of those goals that you're going to ask ChatGPT to come up with a theme for you. Need some help? For my theme, I chose balance ambition as a healing people pleaser. Not just in the sense of I want everybody to be happy, but in the sense of I always like to make myself useful so I can help with that. This really fit my overall theme because when I tell you I got some big goals that I will be achieving in 2025. Step 3, finding your physical images. Now in the past, we would mosey over to the store, get some magazines that we like. For me personally, it was Vogue and Essence because I love the fashions. But this year, we're doing things a little bit different because we're going to use ChatGPT to actually help us pick those magazines. ChatGPT gave us some pretty decent options, but I want to get even more specific because have you seen the price of magazines these days? Inflation is so real. Now that we have a few magazine options, let's move to step 4. You now have all of your supplies. I will put some B-roll of some supplies that I bought. And you have your vision board in front of you. Now it's time to separate that vision board into sections. Each section can then be represented by a color. Blue, that represents calm. Green, for abundance, like money. Yellow, for happiness. Red, intense emotions. Dark pink, for deep gratitude. And white, for new beginnings and clarity. Dark purple symbolizes sophistication and luxury, and orange evokes warmth, excitement, and the thrill of exploration. ChatGPT also gave us our sections: finances / abundance, career goals, relationships, gratitude corner, health and wellness, and then I added travel and home. As you can see, I made the career yellow, health and wellness blue, finance and abundance green, the gratitude corner the dark pink, travel orange, home the dark purple, and I put fashion and relationships in the same as the intense red. And in the center, I put my theme in white. Part 5, actually cutting out your pictures. This is the fun part. You're going to be cutting out words, phrases, letters, pictures, all the things that represent your vision that you're trying to bring to life. Your goal here is to fill each section with as many items as possible. Don't forget, you need to think really, really big. Don't think small, think big. By adding positive affirmations into each section, that will further keep you motivated to achieve each one of your goals. And yes, of course, I use ChatGPT to help me do this. I kept it really simple and asked ChatGPT for different affirmations for each section of the vision board. I then copied and pasted those affirmations onto a Pages document and printed them out. I use different fonts to represent different sections, and then I cut them out and use them along the borders and inside of the vision board itself. I like the affirmations just to reinforce that positive vibes and positive energy when I'm looking at my vision board, really trying to get more motivation, because we all got to keep going. Challenges are going to arise, but you've got to keep going and keep pushing towards your goals. Step 6, gratitude brings abundance. Acknowledging the good we already have in our lives is the foundation of all abundance. Eckhart Tolle, which is why adding a gratitude corner is so important. This was a last edition brought to you by Chat GPT, and I represented it by the dark pink color. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I have so much to be thankful for, and being able to be here with you guys. I am so thankful for all of you guys who have subscribed, who come back video after video and support my channel. And I really want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Just thank you. And if this is your first time here, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching the video so far. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and hit those bell notifications so that you're first to know when I post new videos. Now, we're not done just yet. We have the most important part remaining. This is the key to manifesting the life you actually want. Number 7, broken down to 2 parts. Step 1. I hope you're enjoying making your physical vision board, but as you know, we live in a very digital world, and I want to make sure that you see your vision across all aspects of your life, which includes digital screens. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you'll be first to know when I teach you how to create your digital vision board. Display your vision board in a meaningful and visible place, somewhere where you're going to see it day after day after day. Step 2, spend time with your vision board regularly, at least daily. Number 8, visualize that you already have and have achieved all of the goals on your vision board. Reflect on exactly how you would feel, how you would dress, how you would carry yourself, and act just like that is your reality. How would that person act, dress? What would they eat? What would their daily life look like? Would they work out? How would they interact with other people? Would they have boundaries? Would they put themselves first? Would they prioritize their goals, their needs first before others? That is the key to manifestation, to manifesting the life that you actually want. Use these 8 steps to create your vision board for next year. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with a friend who also wants to use vision boarding and Chat GPT to manifest the life of their dreams. See you in the next one. Bye.